Here we go. NVIDIA's results and guidance were exceptional. Okay, I'm actually interested. I got some NVIDIA stocks. I don't know if you have. If you have it, let me know in the. Actually, let's do a poll. Let's make this interactive. Do you have NVIDIA shares? Yes or no? I don't know. I know we have only 6 people, but it's all right. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna do Mondays and Fridays videos. I think those are the days that you guys enjoy the most. I feel like you guys are more long-term investors than short-term, which is great. But anyways, keep calm and carry on. While some investors may have wanted more from NVIDIA, the vast majority of Wall Street was more than happy with the Jensen Huang-led company after it reported fiscal third quarter results and guidance that highlighted its dominance in the artificial intelligence spending boom. Shares fell roughly 0.7% pre-market trading on Thursday. Other semiconductor companies such as AMD, ARM, ASML, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Intel saw mild selling as well. Obviously, if the leader goes down, everything falls. NVIDIA's FQ3 results were very solid, with the record data center revenues at $30.8 billion. Amid continued strong demand for their Hopper products, with H200 growing to double-digit billions. Bernstein analyst Stacy Rasgon wrote in a note to clients. Rasgon, who raised his price target to 175, guys, keep this in mind, 175 from 155 after the results, said while bears may point to a smaller than typical guidance beat, lower networking attach rates and a slide in gross margins for next year is still respectable, given the supply constraints and possibly conservative. To that end, Blackwell demand still appears off the chart and is likely to exceed supply for some time to come, with the prospect for a very strong forthcoming data center year still easily in the cards. And while of course Jensen, he did not sound concerned that the need for compute will be easing anytime soon, and the sheer complexity of what the company is accomplishing continues to significantly broaden their moat versus what the competition has. Overall, the story still looks well intact. And let me see. Looking for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, NVIDIA expects to generate $37.5 billion in revenue, plus or minus 2%. Analysts were forecasting $37.1 billion in revenue. However, some buy-side estimates call for revenue for the next quarter to be as high as $41 billion. The company also said it sees the demand for Blackwell exceeding supply for several quarters in fiscal 2026. It will continue to ship both Hopper and Blackwell shipments in the coming fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, though it expects both to have certain supply constraints. Okay, more praise. The last praise, let's see. Piper Sandler analyst Harsh Kumar said NVIDIA is likely being conservative with its guidance given it's going through a product transition. Our suspicion is that NVIDIA's visibility extends into the vast majority of calendar 2025. We also continue to believe that starting April, the beat cadence will be quite a bit higher than $2 billion cadence NVIDIA has more or less maintained thus far. Bank of America, Vivek Arya, said the stock could churn in the near term on the lack of sizzle, but NVIDIA is still the undisputed leader in moving $1 trillion of legacy infrastructure into accelerated systems. It's also the fastest growing mega cap stock, and it has solid free cash flow that should provide adequate firepower for cash returns and inorganic investments. He reiterated his buy rating and a $190 price target. There you go, another $190. We're gonna document this, okay? Citi analyst Atif Malik reiterated his buy rating and a $175 price target and opened a 90-day upside catalyst watch, as one is set to give the keynote address at January's Consumer Electronics Show. We expect management to move the Blackwell product sales expectation higher in the Jan Q, call out the GM through the April Q, and talk about interference-led inflection on AI robotics around warehouses, manufacturing, and humanoid AI robots, Malik wrote. We're getting to humanoid robots now. Crazy, bro. It's been a long time since I've talked to you guys. NVIDIA remains a stock to own in this AI-fueled market, but the aura of invisibility might be showing cracks. Okay, but we got a few targets, and I want to take a look at NVIDIA. Woo, look at gold, bro. NVIDIA. So today, 145. Yesterday, it looks so weird. So yesterday created a higher high, a 153. A higher low or a lower low. Let me look at the weekly. A lower high at 137. That's the range. But now we got some targets. My target was 178 because of the Fibonacci level. So let me go ahead and start marking up over here the different targets from the different people. So Rasgun 175. Very, very close to that 178 that I had. So 175, Rasgun. Guys, this is what I do. I don't complicate it that much. So I pay Seeking Alpha. I get some analysis. I get some targets, and that's it. And I put the money in, and I sleep. Okay. The other target we had was, I think, 150, was it? More praise. Oh, it was Bank of America. Bank of America said 190, bro. 190. Bank of America, so greedy, bro. So greedy, Bank of America. 190. But David. This is the David show. It's not the Green Tom show. This is my favorite show. 175 for City. 175. Oh. So Rasgun and City are sharing the same one. So there you go. Weekly is still bullish, bro. Bullish engulfing? Not necessarily, but it's still bullish. Create a higher high. And if we go up from where we are to 175, that's about 20%. And if we go up from where we are to 190, is about 31%. It's not a lot. But at the end of the day, NVIDIA is still strong, doing very, very good moves. I wanted to share this with all of you. If this goes down, 200 EMA will be great to see retested. But I didn't see it getting retested over here. Oh, I see the magnet. I had the magnet activated. Let me add some pointers here. We didn't reach the 200 EMA. So if it does go down, see this. Okay, it reached the previous high, so maybe maybe over here like 130s will be a good price point to enter. Yeah, because if you look over here, when it went down back to this resistance, becoming a support, and that's what we want to see as well here. So can happen. Let me know what you think. Do you like NVIDIA long term? I always like NVIDIA long term. I mean, there's, without any denial, bro, NVIDIA has done very, very good moves in the market. But anyways, let me see. Have you guys invested in NVIDIA? Yes or no? 100% said no. Why am I talking about NVIDIA then? You guys are funny. Thank you. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about